Stop using plain text. Here are 5 easy typography tricks that will make your design look pro in seconds. Add your text, the first word. Change it to a tall font like Calcio. Increase the size. Add a square. Change the square to the same color as the background, which is white. Increase the width. Reduce the height. Place it here. And then add the second word. Move it here. Change the font to a bold font like Archivo Black. And then increase the letter spacing. And if you want to change the color, you can change the background color and this rectangle. Change it to the same color as the background. You can change the text color to other color. So now you have it. Type your text, for example, bold. I will choose a bold font like Archivo Black. Increase the size. And to make it bolder, just go to Effect and add outline. Change the color to the same color as the text, which is black here. You can increase the thickness, alright, and increase the letter spacing. Now you have it. Turn any font into Grunge style. Type your text. I will change the font to these bangers. Increase the size. And you can also increase the letter spacing maybe. Okay. And then add some element, splatter element. CO. I will use this one. This is a free element. And then change the color to the same color as the background. Alright. Now you have it. Now let's make a Craig style text. Type your text. I will change the font to Gagalin. And then go to element and type Craig. There are some free elements here we can use. For example, this one. Change the color to the same color as background, which is white. And then duplicate. You can rotate it. Duplicate, and I'll place it here. Duplicate again. I will reduce the size and place here. And then add splatter element to add crack effect. For example, this one. Okay, put it here, or maybe here. Now you have it. Now let's create a 3D effect. Go to text and type your text 3D. And then I will change the font to Archivo Black. Increase the size. And then let's keep the color black. And then duplicate. Change the color to brighter color like this one. And then place it on the origin. Press your shift button. Drag to the left like this. So it looks like a 3D. So there are 5 Canva tricks to change the visual of your text for your typography design. See you next video and have fun with Canva.